poster 3D pointed back. It's a great to have a little bit more than it's just little, so then that way you can able to adhere them much better. I am going to do it, just doing it once, like you can see this one drop right there. I am going to do that first because I want to play the butterflies first, okay? I want this beauty to be right here first. Flash key really quick. Move your gels away from your LED light. And then now here. Just really quick. And I'm gonna get this one out and apply some more condensed glue gels. And now I'm gonna go inside completely on the I'm gonna do another part, so right here. Okay. And blend it out. If you're doing your 3D designs, your charms, your chains, your crystal, you want to add a little bit more of your condensed glue gels, okay? And then I'm gonna get my polystones. I'm loving this one, so adorable. This is coming in your subscription box. A lot of you will get the AB, a lot of you will get pink. I want pink and I got AB. I will try to get Mika and see what she got, because I can like ask her, begging her to swap with me. What did you get?
I got the obsidian.
You do? I want that. It's gonna be perfect for this. We always want what we don't have. But then I always say that to myself. I always want what I don't have. But then I was like thinking, like I said, but I will appreciate what I have. So it means that I have everything. So I'll put the frame on that. And applies a little bit, it's like extra of. Okay, so here's for your information. If you feel like on your encapsulate your metal part is you love it, you don't want anything with this, you can definitely top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. I just doing this because I want to show you another option that you can do, because you'll be surprised, okay? And like, oh, there's no point that I'm gonna put everything out on the top. You'll be surprised. A lot of my clients want ombre and then they want all the crystal on the top of ombre. How about that? And glitter underneath. They do not care. That's as long as they feel it. They feel really good. They feel fulfill whatever they want. They will do it. So don't be too hard on yourself, because the clients will love a lot. A lot of clients like to be really simple, but however, a lot of clients like dramatic. So they're all different. Just for your information, because you know, like me, when I first start to and say, oh, who's the hell's gonna wear this? Nobody gonna wear this, but you'll be surprised. People will wear everything they want, you know, so you don't have to worry. Just get some swatch, some designs for your clients, and then you'll be surprised that the clients will pick a lot of design you were thinking like, oh, I would never wear it. It's a lot of clients like, I want to wear it. So I'm just giving you an option. So if you don't want anything, or your clients like, oh, too much, I don't want it, then you just don't do it. Or some like, oh, I like it a lot, but my price range today is $120, so I'm gonna stick with just ombre and encapsulate. But next, my birthday, I'm gonna bling this out. So just really depend on the clients. The clients price range. All right, so I'm gonna add some beads on it. Absolutely, you can. If you don't want to, absolutely, you can here and add precision glue gels on, and you're good to go. Of course, you make sure you cure it, okay? And then you're good to go. All right, I'm gonna add some beads on between the crystal. I think it looks gorgeous without the beads, though. I think it's just me. By default, I want to add beads on it to make it look like jewelry. As I said, really option, and it doesn't make it too difficult to add the beads on. Also, it's totally fine if you not add any beads on, okay? All right, I think I am good with this beauty. I feel something is missing though on the top. Looks good. Okay, I could like feel completely this nails. All right, so you're happy with this? We're going to cure for 60 seconds.